In this video, I am going to show you how to create pivot table. First, we will see what are the uses of pivot table. Pivot table is meant for consolidate data, filter data, or cleaning the data. We will see one by one. This is a simple raw data. What is the main difference between inserting table and pivot table? We will see. Before that, if not subscribed, please subscribe our channel for getting new videos. First, just select the data. Depends on range, you just select it. When you go for consolidation, you keep and add the data and include the range so that it will be reflected in pivot table. First select it. I just insert table first. In table we can able to find only filter and we can able to customize some colors. For inserting pivot table, just the same process. Insert pivot table, give the range, then once it is selected, whether you want new sheet or existing worksheet, just select it. I am just go with existing worksheet. I just select it. I just put here. Then click OK. Filter means once you apply filter, only the filter value will be displayed. Rest will not applicable. For getting region wise, just drag into rows. For getting sales value, you just drag into the values. To get year wise, just drag the year button to the column. For month, the same process again. Another best option is we can able to get not only the sum of sales, but we can able to get multiple options: count, average, maximum, minimum. Like that you have options. I just click on average, so it will give monthly average. In case you want only the salesman wise, just drag salesman into the row. Region wise, it will display the sales figures of salesman. If you want to swap, you can able to change it also. You can change it. Based on requirement, you can able to customize data. If you like this video, please share it, like it, comment it. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.